Awesome. 7 minutes and 38 seconds left. Model Mania 2007, got ya. Unprepared and unscripted, welcome to Model Mania, live. So thank you for joining me in this journey as we prepare for Model Mania. Today we're going through Model Mania 2007. So we've already done 7 of these, and we have 10 more to go, bringing us up to Model Mania at SOLIDWORKS World 2017. So let's open up our drawing and take a peek. Third angle projection. I don't see a material applied, so working backwards. Fillets. Radius of 4, all red fillets. Okay, so every exterior edge is filleted. We do have some large rounds there in the middle. Okay, so working backwards. Okay, so we get rid of the fillets. I see 3 main zones. We have, let's do it working backwards. Okay, let's get rid of these cut extrudes. So we have this keyway cut. That's pretty straightforward, right? We have a circle with a little square up at it up top. I think we have enough dimensions there. We have diameter 50, height of 55 from the bottom, so we'll do that maximum dimension there. Width of 14. That's a through all cut, so okay, that hole's gone. Straight cut here of 30, easy. And then what? Okay, so then we maybe have this boss at the top. We have this web, and then this circular portion. So 20 minutes on the clock, Model Mania 2007. Let's do it. So front, let's start there. That was 80. So yeah, I don't have it on, so it defines that, but there's our 80. Let's go ahead and build that out. It was 80 by 80. Yep. Let's go to the right plane. We're some distance up here. What that dimension is 25. Oh, that's the radius, so we're actually at 50. Is that the diameter of 80? Yeah, okay. There to there is 40. And the height of 100. Alright, so then we have, let's grab some arcs so we know that to there. Can make those tangents, and that, does it end right at the corner there? If we make that tangent, oh, there and there, tangent, it is fully defined. Awesome. Okay, so there's there. We have there. 1, 2, 3. So here it's just making some relationships. We know some sizes here. That one's 50. And that one is 200. And let's close that off. Ooh, no, I want to go down deeper for when I extrude that out. So let's just come down here to center to up, because that's going to be my entire width. Alright, so let's extrude out just that profile there. Mid plane 50, 50, mistyping. And then we're going to take that again, extrude that at 20, mid plane, okay. We can do our cut holes. Sure, let's do the cut holes. Now, on face, whatever. This might fail later, but we'll find out. Features, cut extrude, through all. Okay. I'll do it. Yeah, I could do it on the front face again. Let's go ahead and do that. So we have our diameter at 50, and then we kind of have this rectangle. Let's do from midpoints. I like that. So do something like this. We know that that and that are going to be coincident. There to shift there is 55, and the width is 14. So I don't have as a depth, but I'm not worried about that. Let's just trim it out. Sure. Features, cut, extrude, through all, reverse, and fillets. This one seems really easy. Let's see what happens to change. All right, so we've got 50 for these two guys. And then we have the red ones, which are 4. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Is that it? Let's turn them red just so that we know. And I'm only doing this for right now. I don't know if I would actually spend the time to make them red later. Oh, missing some. It's only the outside edges, not the inside holes. So that's looking good. Wow, over 14 minutes left. I think I've got it. So let's see the changes, shall we? Awesome. So changes: rotate keyway as depicted in drawing, change dimension depicted in drawing, dimensions in parentheses are for reference only. Ugh. Okay, so just trying to think back how I want to move things over. The keyhole cut is just rotated, I think, right? So from that same 55, yeah. Same with there, we're just at an angle of 40. I'm going to handle that last. We're going to have to worry about the fillets too. Okay, so what's our zero? What are our zero references here? Essentially, want to move the cut plane over. Does it call it out there? We have a diameter of 80. It was right at the middle. So do I want to move that over 40? No, minus the thickness. Okay, well let's just start stabbing at this. This one's tough. So if we come back, let's come back to how we built this. Because I think if we leave center there, that's fine. This is the boss extrude I want to change. So rather than being mid-plane, where do we want to start it? It's still 50, but let's do an offset of, it's not going to be 40, is it? I mean, it could be 40. We were in the center, we're moving out half the radius. That, if we go to our front view, that almost seems right. I mean, I could, no, I don't see any other changes defined elsewhere. All right, so we just want to move it from center to the right to be tangent with that length. So that's 40 because we have the diameter of 80. So let's do that. Then what did we have? Our web. So similar thing, right? Does this just move over? offset 40. That's not right. See, that's what I was thinking. Is it 35? No, 30. No, it should be... Yeah, it has a thickness of 20. That gives me the tangency I want there, but that means this isn't over far enough. So a bit of 5. Oops, 45. Okay. Cut extrude there is still through all. Cut extrude there, not through all. Well, it's through all, but the sketch needs to change. So here's where I could go in and mess with the sketch. I'm going to do a move face. We're going to do a rotate the face. We're going to rotate these 4 faces 40 degrees. And do a center line of, oh, just do this. Rotate about Z 40. Other way. Well, let me do a negative 40. Yeah. But you can see it's kind of offsetting there. That's not right. Can I do... No. Well, let me select there. Rotate negative 40. Why is it shooting it out there? I thought this was going to be the easy way. No, it's definitely not concentric anymore. Thought move face was going to help me. Move face, rotate. Can we show temporary axes? And sure, let me select that. Our faces 40 degrees, negative 40. No, now it's really actually 40. And I could flip the direction. And that is in line. Okay. All right. Fillet 1. It tells now the radius is 25. And it's just that one edge. So I think that's looking okay. Fillet 2. We have some rebuild errors. Yep, missing one edge. But I think that's okay. We've got the rest of those. That looks good from that view. That looks good from that view. Go to the top. Rotate it. Oh, I am missing something. There is... Where does it call it out? Radius 25. So this one also gets applied there. Yep, and you can see that's kind of a sliver face there. I see that in the drawing as well. But I think that does it, right? So we got that big round there. Let's just compare that front view again. I think that does it. Let's stop the timer. Awesome. 7 minutes and 38 seconds left. Model Mania 2007 got you. I hope so, at least. What do you guys think? I think I did pretty good on that one. I don't know. Is Model Mania getting easier or harder? How are you guys doing when you're practicing this? Well, hopefully you enjoyed this Model Mania 2007. You picked up some good tricks and tips. This one was pretty fun. Nothing out of the box challenging of like too crazy, right? Yeah, we're missing an edge there, but I don't care anymore. Yeah, so the rest of it just comes out fine. Yeah, some more or less a little bit of a multi-body approach. We did our cuts later. Fillets were fun. Yeah, we did move face so that we didn't have to go in and worry about sketch relations, that sort of thing. Other than that, it was just kind of offsetting bodies, and that's the one thing that wasn't too clear here is, wait, how exactly am I offsetting this? How far out am I going, right? Because one fault that I had, I don't know it was a fault, but it was just a challenge, right? In order to place this boss here, we needed to know the position of the web first. Didn't have the web, we did the web third. So yeah, we were able to do it, but I guess that's kind of the challenging piece of, depending on how you build these features, you just got to be aware of that flexibility that you've built in there. So overall, I think a success. Yeah, I'm feeling good about it. We'll see you at Model Mania 2008 tomorrow. Otherwise, we will see you on stage at SOLIDWORKS World 2017 at the Model Mania Challenge. See you then.